Stellen Sie sich
Imagine being able to prevent unplanned machine downtime through predictive analysis of data. That is exactly what Festo AX Industrial Solutions do. The proven algorithms learn the normal state of your machines, detect deviations early, and provide concrete action recommendations for less downtime, planned maintenance, and stable quality. Our industrial solutions were developed in close cooperation with customers and can be adapted to your application with little effort, whether body in white, packaging, or assembly. They combine our automation expertise, AL competence, and your manufacturing know-how. Let your machine speak with Festo AX Industrial Solutions.
mit Festo AX Industrial Solutions.